Today I'm participating in the open invite 100% Thrifted Tablescape Challenge hosted by the lovely Thrift Queen. The rules were to do 100% Thrifted Tablescape, the color and style of our choice, use what we have first, then thrift the rest. So here is my Thrifted Tablescape. I hope you enjoy it. Please make sure to go over and check out the Thrift Queen. Her link will be down in the description box. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, if it's not cheap, I'm not buying it. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to get notifications, and also give me a thumbs up. Have a blessed day.